today we're going for a walk from the lost village of Tyneham past Worbarrow Bay towards Moot Bay. Again, really, it's another dramatic stretch of the Jurassic Coast, which I'm sure you'll love. It's quite nice light today. There's a bit of broken cloud and there's a risk of a shower. The sky has the potential to produce some quite dramatic light. So we'll see how we get on. Hi guys, so come out to Tyneham village, which is just down there, and we've just had some horrendous rain. So I decided to set up a time lapse from inside the van, because there was some amazing light down over at Kimmeridge and the rain clouds were moving across. It just looked so dramatic. So I've set that up in here. Now I've been here for maybe 10 minutes shooting that, and the skies are clearing over that way now, and if you can see some dramatic light over there. So that in the distance is the Isle of Portland, and at the very left hand side of it, I don't know if you can see that around there, you can see the bright white, well it's actually red and white striped, but it's standing out from here as white. That's the Portland Lighthouse. Again, that was pitch black 5 minutes ago. The clouds are moving pretty quickly, and it's creating some dramatic movements of light and shadow and shortly along the coast, through the Ministry of Defence firing ranges. So we'll go west towards Mute Bay. Just down here is Worbarrow Bay. That little hump is Worbarrow Tout. And then down there you can see the car park for the abandoned village of Tyneham. But again, just utterly spectacular views. Such dramatic coastline. It really is an incredible place. It's Jurassic Coast. So we'll stop this time lapse now and make our way out while the rain's not too bad. It does look like there's some more coming in from over that way, the Portland way. We got to chase the light. We've got to chase the light to get the shots. So, see what we can do. Got Pool Harbour over this way. See the coast here. That's where I was last week. The Chapman's Pool's just tucked away. It's Kimbridge. It's going all the way to Worbarrow Bay, going west towards Weymouth, Portland.
I don't know what I'm talking about. I use the same lines over and over. Can't believe that I'm walking around. Aren't these the same streets I've covered?
This is one of the range walks, which is basically called coastal path through Ministry of Defence land. There's a lot of Ministry of Defence owned land around here. It's where they practice the firing ranges and manoeuvres. So generally speaking, it's closed to the public all week, and they're open pretty much every weekend and every school holiday. There's maybe 3 or 4 weekends every year that it's closed as well for reasons. They need it for the weekend. So, you know, if you come to any of these coastal paths that's through the MOD land, just check on the website. Just Google Lulworth Range Walks opening times, and you can ensure that you've got a right way then, and your journey's not been spoiled. So over there, don't know if you can see in the distance, that is Lulworth Castle. I get past this hedge. That's where they have a whole camp festival there now. See it through there. And this here opening out is Worbarrow Bay. And then down there is the abandoned village of Tyneham, which was evacuated. So that the MOD had somewhere for training the troops. It was supposed to be a temporary evacuation to clear up the whole village, and they said, we're just commandeering this for a finite period, but they never let them back, and it's just remained abandoned ever since the end of the war. It's a nice place to go visit now, to read about the history of it. It's a great place for Astro, because if you can imagine, you look down, it's in a valley. It's a secluded valley. No other villages around. There's no electricity down there. It's pitch black. So it's a great place for Astro.
Why don't I do it for you? Why won't you do it for me? When all I do is for you. They wanna see us alone. They wanna see us apart. They wanna see us alone. They wanna see us apart. And I just want to feel your love. And I share our love. I try, but I get overwhelmed when you're gone. I have no one to tell. And I just want to feel you're there. And I don't want to have to share our love. I try, but I get
Night again. There's just an abundance of seeker deer around here. And I come up here for Astro at night. Walk along this path, going up here. There's eye shine everywhere. And these are kind of little highways, crossings for the deer. Spend a lot of the day in that valley there, and they go up here at night and they come across this path and they go into this gorse and down on that next hill into that next valley. But it's amazing. There's loads of little highways. So there is Lulworth Castle. Again, steeped in history. Set in beautiful grounds. Pretty much most of that you can see is MOD. Owned by the MOD. Right, so we come from beyond that hill, it's all the way along here, and down there, hidden in those trees, is Tyneham village. So there in the distance is St Aldham's Head, which leads into Chapman's Pool, where we were last week. We walked all the way along there. And then this here is Worbarrow Bay, Worbarrow Tout. And then leading round there to Moot Bay. And here comes the rain. We'll get wet now. How glorious is this? Even in this weather.
what you're thinking, girl. You don't have to tell me you love me. Take it easy. You don't have to be a movie star. In fact, I want you just the way you are. You don't ever have to change for me. Take it easy. Take it easy. I've been waiting for someone like you for my whole life. I've made a few exceptions on some lonely nights. I'm not proud of my mistakes.
Well, as you can see, got caught out in one of those showers. So I was just in the process of doing a couple of long exposure shots, which I was going to film for you, but I've had to make a hasty exit. So I get a bit wet now going back to the van. Anyway, I'll show you the final images at the end of the video. Even in weather like this, you still can't beat being outdoors. It's just a bit of water.
Yesterday, my life was in ruin. Now today, I know what I'm doing. Got a feeling I should be doing alright. Doing alright. Where will I be this time tomorrow? Jumped in joy or sinking in sorrow. Anyway, I should be doing alright. Doing alright. Should be waiting for the sun. Looking round to find the lights to see.
At the end of this video, I'll just put up a time lapse that we shot early on. See what you think of that. It was amazing. It was amazing light, the way it was changing. Hopefully that's turned out okay. It's been another fantastic morning. Up early before everyone gets out of bed. Have the place to yourself. Just finishing now. A few more people are appearing, so it's time to go.
was the sweet and tender hooligan, hooligan. He said that he'll never, never do it again, and of course he won't. Not until the next time. He was the sweet and tender hooligan, hooligan. He swore that he'll never, never do it again, and of course he won't. Not until the next time. Poor old man, he had an accident with a 3-bar fire, but that's okay, because he wasn't very happy anyway. A poor woman, strangled in her very own bed as she read, but that's okay, cause she was old and she would have died anyway. Don't blame the sweet and tender hooligan, hooligan, because he'll never, 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 never do it again. Not until the next time. Till you've heard every word, so before you decide, would you look into those motherly eyes? I love you for you, my love, you, my love, you, my love, you, my love. Till you've heard every word, but before you decide, would you look into those motherly eyes? I love you for you, my love, you, my love, love you just for you, my love. Don't blame the sweet and tender hooligan, hooligan, because he'll never, never do it again. And in the midst of life we are in death, etc. The hooligan, hooligan, because he'll never, never do it again. And in the midst of life we are